it's been cut. The call. You can hammer it behind. Actually, probably closer to it.
That's it?
I shoved it in and then I'm hammering, right?
Yep.
She recommended earplugs, which I'm gonna get because, okay. Lift up or down?
You decide.
You decide, there's options, hey! And then it didn't break the wall. Probably just need to.
I'll just pry it off.
Okay, here. Look how awesome that was! Okay, so all of a sudden Mike calls me and says, do you want to come help do the last piece? What do you think about this extravaganza we started? Worth it, but a lot of work, huh? It's taken us like a week to get this done.
Well, we're only working on it part-time.
Part-time, working on it part-time. This is the very last piece behind the fridge. So we're not gonna lie, like this is definitely something you can do. It's just a lot of work, especially if you're doing the huge rooms like we are. If you're doing one room, is that it?
That's it. Last piece.
Aww.
All she wrote.